What?
Thank you for soda.
Hey, do you remember what we're making today?
We're making a cake. A mug cake.
Mug cake.
Mug.
Yes, we are. Whoever invented mug cake is our best friend. Mug cake is a delicacy to be enjoyed by all. However, on keto, I'm talking, remember? Mug cake is good for anyone, obviously, but when you're on keto, it's nice to have something that tastes decadent, that is very, very easy to make. This will definitely be the shortest Honey and Harlow video to date. So you start by whisking all your wet ingredients in one bowl, and then putting all your dry ingredients in another, and then you'll add the dry to the wet. To start, you have 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of heavy cream, I'm covering your face.
What's you?
My husband is sick. Last time it was the soccer game, and this week it's sneezing. And then a teaspoon of melted butter. Put all those in a bowl, whisk it together. Then you do your dry ingredients, which is simply, it's 25 grams of almond flour, which is basically almost a 1/4 cup. So I just fill up to nearly a 1/4 cup. Put that in, 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
A pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
And then it just says stevia to taste.
TBSP taste.
My sweetener of choice is Swerve. So I used granulated. For my own personal taste, I like stuff just a little bit sweeter, but I definitely don't think it's too overboard. My personal choice for this is I then do a tablespoon of granulated Swerve. Okay, we get our whisk, and we're gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet. Here's the thing. I want you to help me, but I don't want to break this bowl. I'm going to add our dry ingredients. First of all, are you okay? It's just us, so I'm going to continue making this. If this were for anyone else, we'd be starting over. Okay. We're gonna whisk it together, all the ingredients.
Now you can make it, and Har can do it.
So the almond flour mug cake is chocolate by nature, and then it has a chocolate ganache on top of it. So this is a very, very rich, decadent mug cake. Definitely feels a little bit fancy. Like you're being bad, but you're not. Because you're gonna eat chocolate and you're gonna lose weight. Do you wanna help me do a little whisking?
We're making mug cake now. What's next?
We are going to put it into our mug. Why don't you hold the mug for me and I will pour this in. Can you hold it really still? Okay. The recipe just calls for unsweetened cocoa powder. I happen to use unsweetened special dark cocoa powder, so that makes it even richer. So I feel like I should say that because that also may be, I may also have to sweeten it more because it's extra dark. Now.
How about sweeten too?
Okay. Now we put this in the microwave for, it says a minute to 1:30. I lean towards a minute for me because my microwave has a bit higher wattage.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'm gonna get our ganache ready, which is so simple. We are going to melt a tablespoon of butter along with 10 grams of dark chocolate of your choice. I do unsweetened baking chocolate myself. It's done. About 10 grams is just 2 pieces. So here's what we do. We chop up the chocolate into a bunch of tiny pieces, and we put it in with our tablespoon of butter, and we microwave that for about, it says 20 seconds, but I do 25. Tablespoon of butter with our 10 grams of chocolate. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for 25 seconds.
Can you give it to Dad?
We're gonna give it to Dad. We mix the butter and the chocolate together until everything's all nice and smooth.
Can you give that to Dad?
We'll see, because now Mommy wants some of this. Once that's mixed together, we do a teaspoon of cream. You wanna do it? And then I do Swerve Confectioner's sugar It's to taste. I do a teaspoon. Mix it real good.
That's gonna like it.
Oh, Daddy is going to like it.
The daddy did the first.
Oh my God.
You get this one.
It's just so beautifully sweet.
I want to hold it.
You want to hold it? Okay. And pour, pour, pour.
Yeah.
There you have it. So easy, so decadent. I eat this.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, video. Okay, no.
I'm not kidding when I say that I eat this probably at least 4 times a week. It's nearly a daily occurrence. You can eat this amazing mug cake and still lose weight. So cheers to that. Okay.
Bye-bye.